What's up guys, welcome back to Dame Untamed. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nikki and this is my adventure channel. Today, we are somewhere very exciting. First of all, I just worked my very first red-eye flight. I got back to my hotel and I slept for 4 hours and I'm still tired, if you could not already tell. I do have a full afternoon and evening here in this beautiful city. I keep saying a beautiful city, I just really hate the NHL team. Can you take a guess where I am? We're in Montreal, folks. Let's go explore the city together. So before I go out, I just requested some cutlery be sent to my room so I can eat my breakfast. And they told me that there's a robot. Oh my God, there's a robot. Hello, robot. It brought me cutlery. Thank you. 5 star. 5 star for you, robot. Bye. Oh my God, this is so cool. You're heading home. Bye, robot. After quickly fueling up with my favorite breakfast, it was time to hit the town. Having a peek at McGill University here on campus, and I just feel really old because there are people graduating and that was me 10 years ago. Yes, I just dated myself. Oh my gosh, how has it been 10 years since I graduated from the University of Guelph? Crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go cry now. At least it's a beautiful day. There's a lot of stairs here. It's a hot day. Getting my workout in today, people. Just climbed what felt like an eternity of stairs. But I'm pretty sure that the views are gonna be worth it. Please excuse my heavy breathing. It's hot here today. Alrighty guys, just finished checking out the incredible view from up here on Mont-Royal, or should I say Mont-Royal, if I'm using my Francais accent. It is amazing. It's such a beautiful day today. Coming from the West Coast, it's been rainy and cold, so to just feel a little bit of sunshine on my skin and sweat it out as I climbed those stairs was really nice. I'm about to head back down the trillion stairs that I just climbed to get up here to head to my next spot. Alright, so I made it down the 80 bajillion stairs that take you all the way up to Mont-Royal and back down. I got to see all of the city from up there. Definitely add it to your list if you want to be active during your time in Montreal. Probably could have done one of those tours today, but I felt like getting my walk on today and I'm doing pretty good so far. So I got lots of day left. Don't think it could be a more beautiful day to be walking around Montreal. Oh my goodness, the sun is shining. It is absolutely gorgeous today. Okay, made it down to the old port to see the iconic Ferris wheel, but also to check out some food trucks over here. Let's see what we got. Here's to a mango pineapple smoothie. Thank you, smoothie shop. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this. Ooh. Oh my gosh, so good. There's so much to do down here. Oh my goodness. Paddleboarding, the Ferris wheel, zip line, this whole adventure course here, which to be honest, if I had more time, I'd probably do it because it looks really fun. Lots of shops. It's such a nice day. Everybody is just out and about. Ooh, one wheel, yeah, cool. People, I am in enemy territory. I repeat, I am in enemy territory. Get me out of here. Okay guys, I am tired. That was a very long day walking around Montreal. I feel like I saw so much in such a short amount of time, and it just felt really good to be outside. It was warm. I walked everywhere, so my feet are throbbing, but so worth it. I'm about to park my butt in this bed and watch TV. I have a 4 a.m. wake up call tomorrow after doing a red eye last night, so that's really fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this walking tour of Montreal. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out so you don't miss my next upload. I'll see you guys next time.